Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel. What is up with you guys? In today's video, I thought I would recreate a look that I really enjoyed seeing and I was really inspired by, and I have not been inspired by a look really in a long time. There are so many looks on Halloween, or like this Halloween. I feel like everyone is a makeup artist now. Anyway, here is a video of me doing this to myself. Really? So far, I am just using a Wet n Wild brush and now an e.l.f. brush. So super affordable and cruelty-free. Don't get stressed out trying to create something perfect, because a lot of times people don't even recognize the time that you spent, unfortunately. Just be creative and be you, and you'll be cool, in my book. I don't know why I felt even necessary to say that. You're like, thank God I'm cool in your book. Anyway, this is turning out to be so cool though. I think this is like such a fucking cool look. This is looking so cool. I'm so excited. Take your little miniature bloody joint and you are going to add it to the crevice of your wound. And basically we're going to keep doing that until we are all gashed the fuck up. And then rolling it up. And yeah, it's really messy. You get your fingers really messy, but it's kind of just a better way to do it. It's not better, but it's funner. Okay, so I did a little bit of this off camera just to get it out of the way. This is definitely taking me a little bit longer than I thought it would. But I basically decided to just start adding toilet paper clean onto the skin, rolling it up first, then adding blood later. And that's actually turning out to be quite easier than what I used to do, so that's how we're gonna do it now. And I basically just need to finish up the collarbone, add some extra touches to the wound, and then make my face, you know, glam, and then we'll be done. And so to really match my wounds, I'm going to go in with that same Huda Beauty palette and deepen up my eyes. Alright, so I'm going to take the middle shade and just buff out add to the shadow that I already have going, but just kind of refresh it. I'm just gonna go in with Butter London eye gloss in the shade Moonshine. Cool, I think. And then just to add like kind of an extra touch, I'm gonna do a gold glitter in my inner corners, let my hair down, and then I think it'll be really great. I think it'll be really great. I'm just going to add some intense lashes with my Elizabeth Mott It's So Big mascara. This is what it looks like. It is cruelty free. It makes your lashes super duper long. And the formula is just really, really nice. It's not chunky. It's not flaky. I honestly think it's a great cruelty free dupe for Mossy or Big by Lancome. Okay, let's see.